Welcome to Next Gen Motors, your go-to destination for in-depth reviews, insights and updates on the latest automotive innovations. If you love powerful pickups, rugged off-roaders and cutting-edge vehicle technology, then make sure to subscribe to our channel for more expert content like this, and don't forget to like, share and comment below with your thoughts. Today we are diving into the all-new 2026 Ford Raptor pickup truck, a beastly combination of raw power, aggressive design and modern tech. Ford continues to redefine performance trucks with this latest iteration, and enthusiasts in both the USA and Germany have plenty to be excited about. The 2026 model brings not only a refreshed exterior but also improved specs and features that take the Raptor nameplate to a whole new level. First, let's talk about performance. The 2026 Raptor is powered by an upgraded high-output V6 EcoBoost engine, delivering more horsepower and torque than its predecessor, while Ford has opted to stick with the twin-turbocharged V6 instead of a V8 for the standard version. The performance gains are evident. The engine is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, providing seamless shifts and improved fuel efficiency for those craving even more muscle. The Raptor R edition continues with a supercharged V8, pushing power figures into the stratosphere. This variant is especially appealing for high-speed desert running and serious off-road adventures. Suspension has always been a hallmark of the Raptor line, and the 2026 model improves on this further with enhanced Fox Live valve shocks, offering superior damping and adjustability whether tackling rocky terrain in the USA or the forest trails of Germany. The Raptor remains composed and responsive. The updated suspension geometry also contributes to better ride comfort and handling both on and off the pavement. Ground clearance has been slightly increased and the truck offers several terrain management modes, including options for sand, rock crawl and snow, making it a versatile machine for all climates and regions. Design-wise, the 2026 Ford Raptor features a bold, aggressive front grille with integrated LED lighting and a wider stance, giving it a more commanding presence on the road and trail. The hood has been sculpted for improved airflow and heat extraction, while the muscular fenders and skid plates underline its tough character. In both the US and German markets, the Raptor will be available with optional appearance packages, including blackout trims and unique paint finishes that cater to local tastes and preferences. Step inside and you are greeted by a cabin that balances ruggedness with luxury. The interior is spacious and functional, equipped with high-quality materials and thoughtful storage solutions. The center console houses a large vertical touchscreen running the latest S1C5 infotainment system, compatible with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Voice control has been significantly improved, making it easier to operate the system without taking your hands off the wheel. A fully digital instrument cluster offers real-time performance data, off-road diagnostics and customizable display settings. Driver assist technologies are another strong point for the 2026 Raptor. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring and a 360-degree camera system, which is especially helpful when maneuvering through tight trails or urban environments. In addition, the truck is equipped with trail turn assist and one-pedal driving for slow technical off-road sections, making it easier for less experienced drivers to enjoy the full capabilities of the vehicle. In terms of practicality, the Raptor still retains its truck roots with a high-strength steel frame and aluminum body panels. It balances durability and weight reduction. The bed is reinforced and comes with multiple tie-down points, a built-in power outlet and an optional bed extender, allowing you to haul anything from work tools to weekend adventure gear. Towing capacity remains strong and has been slightly increased over the previous generation, appealing to buyers in both the US who may be hauling trailers or boats, and in Germany where it can serve utility and leisure roles. Fuel economy, while not the main focus in a performance truck, has seen modest improvements thanks to better aerodynamics, engine tuning and the use of lightweight materials. However, most buyers will likely be more interested in the truck's ability to conquer rugged landscapes than saving at the pump. Still, for those concerned about efficiency, Ford has included advanced stop-start systems and selectable drive modes to optimize fuel usage when needed. Customizability is another key area where the 2026 Raptor excels. Buyers can choose from a wide range of accessories and factory options, from beadlock-capable wheels and performance exhaust systems to upgraded lighting and off-road navigation tools. For those in Germany, Ford has made sure to offer region-specific options, including metric instrumentation and Euro-compliant lighting packages, ensuring that the Raptor meets local regulations without sacrificing performance. The 2026 Ford Raptor represents the next evolution in high-performance off-road trucks, and it successfully balances power, technology and ruggedness to deliver a package that appeals across continents. Whether you are tackling the Mojave Desert in the USA or the Black Forest in Germany, this truck is built to perform and impress. Its powerful drivetrain, advanced suspension and thoughtful design make it a standout choice for those who demand more from their pickup. That wraps up our review of the all-new 2026 Ford Raptor. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to Next Gen Motors for more in-depth car and truck reviews hitting your screen every week. Don't forget to like, share and leave a comment below to tell us what you think of the new Raptor. Would you take it off-road in America or hit the trails in Germany? Let us know. And